In this video, I'll show you how to create collections on Shopify store. Let's get started. So in order to do that, we just need to head over right here to the product. And then in here, you should be able to see this option for collections. Now, once you have done that, you can see in here that I only have this one collection. Now, if I want to create one more, I can just need to click on this create collection right here. Once I have done that, I can name this. So for example, let's name this casual. And then you can also put in here a description for this particular collection. Now you can choose a collection type. It can be manual or automated. So by automated, all the existing and future products that match the conditions will be set to this particular collection already. Now, on the manual, you just need to add products manually to this particular collection. So for this one, I'll choose in your manual, and you can also have the option to upload an image. So click on this add image right here, and then I will upload this particular image that I have from my actual computer. Now, in here, as you can see, that's been uploaded. Now, once you have done that, click on this save option. And in here, this will save your collection. Once it's done saving, you can scroll down, and you can see in here a new option, which is the products. So you can add products on this particular section. So click on this browse, and then just choose the products that you want to add for this collection. Now click on done. And as you can see, it's been added. So as you can see, it's been updated as well. So when you head back, you should be able to see in here the casual collection, and we have in here 4 products. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.